Basic savings account.
Savings accounts enable depositors to keep their money in a safe place while also earning a small amount of interest each month.
Savings accounts offer lower returns than most other investments. However, they are a way to earn interest until one is ready to move funds into higher return investments such as stocks and bonds. A typical basic savings account allows depositors to withdraw their money whenever they want to.
Simple interest is characterized by a fixed amount earned over time. For example, if you saved 100,000 pesos at 2% simple interest, you will earn 100,000 multiplied by 0.02, which is 2% in decimal, which is equal to 2,000 per year for every year. The equation to calculate simple interest is I equals P RT, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest per annum or per year, and T is the time in years. The amount F in your account after T years is F equals P plus I, or P, open parenthesis 1, plus RT, close parenthesis. Example: a 2-year loan of $500 is made with 4% simple interest. Find the interest earned. Always take a moment to identify the values given in the problem. Here, we are given time is 2 years, T equals 2. Initial amount is $500, P is 500. And the rate is 4%, where we can write this as a decimal, R is 0.04. In the previous example, the time given was in years, just as in the formula. But what if you are only given a number of months? Let us use example to see how this might be different. Example 2. A total of 1,200 is invested at a simple interest rate of 6% for 4 months. How much interest is earned on this investment? Solution. Before we can apply the formula, we need to write the time of 4 months in terms of years. Since there are 12 months in a year, T is 4 over 12. Or, we can simplify it as 1/3. With this adjusted to years, we can now apply the formula with P equals 1,200 and R equals 0.06. Now apply the formula I equals PRT. 1,200 multiplied by 0.06 multiplied by 1/3, I equals 24. So the interest earned is $24. If you hadn't converted here, you would have found the interest for 4 years, which would be much higher. So always make sure to check that time is in years before applying the formula. It is important that time must be in years to apply the simple interest formula. If you are given months, use a fraction to represent it as years. Try to solve these two problems. Each problem has 5 points. You have 15 minutes. Return to your online class at time instructed by your teacher.